Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to learn one of the most important Excel functions which is useful in our day-to-day work life. So what is that function? That function is nothing but using sum function when there are logics. By that what I mean is how to do the additions only when certain given criterias are met. So in today's video we are going to learn how to do sum when we have only one criteria to be met and how to do sum when there are multiple criterias. So without much delay, let's jump into our sample dataset and learn how to do sum when certain criterias are given. Here we are with our sample dataset, which basically talks about the sales figures by product, by country and by salesman. And here are the formulas that we are going to use to do sum when there is single criteria or single logic, when there are multiple criterias or multiple logics. So let's see how to use SUMIF function to get the result. We are trying to get sales amount just based on a single criteria. Let us try to sum the sales amount by country. So let's put the formula equal to SUMIF open bracket. Now the formula asks for three types of information: the range, the criteria and the sum range. So what this range is? It is nothing but the range where we are going to identify or where we are going to find the criteria. So this will be the single criteria based on which we are doing the sum. Now let me take the range. Since I am adding the sales figures for India, I am selecting column A, comma, criteria would be India. I'm just referencing this cell. If you want to hard code the text, you are free to do so. But make sure the text is in double quotes, comma, sum range. So what I want to add, right? So I want to add all the sales for India, right? So I'm just selecting column E to E, close bracket. If I click enter, I got the sales amount. I'll just drag down the formula. Here you go. So this sales is basically for countries. So this is about using sum if we have a single criteria. Let us now see how do we do sum when there are multiple criteria. So again we want to see sales numbers for India, for the person Daniel, for the product Lenovo. So there are basically three criteria. One is country should be India, second is salesman should be Daniel, the third criteria would be product should be Lenovo. If all these conditions are met, then give me the sales figure. So let's start putting the formula is equal to SUMIFS open bracket. It asks for a sum range. So what we are trying to get, what we are trying to sum in this column is sales. So I'm just selecting the sales column, comma. Now it starts asking for logics or criterias. If you see the formula, it clearly shows give the criteria range 1 and criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2, so on and so forth. Now we have three criteria to be met. So let's input those criterias. First, I'm going to say in this criteria range, this is my first criteria, country should be India. Second is the salesman should be Daniel. And the third criteria is the product should be Lenovo. Close the bracket, hit enter. You have the sales figure. Just drag down the formula. Here you go. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned how to use SUMIF and SUMIFS function with a single criteria or with multiple criterias. If you like the content of the video, please hit the like button, share the videos, put your thoughts in the comment box and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, happy learning!